Namaskar, I Sati S. Kumar welcome all our viewers to this curtain raiser program of Global Yoga Alliance. We have our chief guest Anandasri Vibhushit, Prayag Peethadishwar, Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Omkaranandji Maharaj with us. Pranam Guruji, we extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. We also have Dr. Ishwar V. Basavarati, Director, Morarji Desai, National Institute of Yoga with us as the guest of honor. We welcome you, sir. Yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath that creates inner serenity and harmony. Global Yoga Alliance is an international organization formed by the association of different yoga organizations in India and abroad under the leadership of Dr. Gopalji. Apart from India, its associate members are spread over in 32 countries. The principle that explains Global Yoga Alliance vision statement can be well expressed as a human initiative to lay the foundation of global yoga movement for holistic living. Our yoga anthem, Yogmayam Vishwam Kuru, reverberates with the sound that the entire global yoga village should immediately start adhering to the principles where the world should resonate and reverberate with the vibrancy of yoga. We shall now start our program with Ishwar Vandana. Let's all pray to God to give us strength and confidence.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
May I now request our President, Global Yoga Alliance, Dr. Gopalji, to welcome our chief guest and other guests who are present on this occasion.
Namaskar. On behalf of Global Yoga Alliance and our associate organizations, I extend a very hearty welcome to His Holiness Anant Sri Vibhushit Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Prayag Peethadishwar Swami Omkaranand Ji Maharaj in this curtain raiser program. Swami Ji ko Charan Vandana. I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Ishwar V. Vasava Reddy, Director Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Ministry of Ayush on this occasion. I also welcome heads and representatives of all our associate yoga institutes and other organizations from India and abroad in this program. I welcome all the yoga exponents, yogacharyas, naturopaths, eminent doctors, scientists, educationists, students, and all the viewers who are present over here in this program. Friends, due to corona pandemic, the global scenario is totally changed during the past 15 months, which has badly affected our lifestyle, particularly in India. To combat the current pandemic, Global Yoga Alliance has prepared the strategy to start yoga training program and workshop under the theme Train the Brain, focusing on mental health. A month-long program is going to start today with this curtain raiser and will culminate on 21st June with the commemoration of International Day of Yoga. As a part of this a month-long program, different training sessions, workshop, symposium, panel discussions, nutrition and therapy sessions will be organized where eminent yoga exponents, medical doctors, Ayurveda Acharya, naturopaths and other experts will share their scientific and authentic knowledge with our participants. I am confident that this initiative of Global Yoga Alliance will be a big booster to fight with corona in the present situation. I request everyone to join hands together to fight with corona, and I also welcome once again everyone to join this program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Yoga is the journey by the self, for which Global Yoga Alliance has prepared yoga anthem Yogmayam Vishwam Kuru. Let's all listen to this beautiful yoga anthem.
नित्य निरंतर ये कर्म भक्ति ज्ञान योग से पावत, तन मन में ऊर्जा चेतना जागत। हठल राजयोग देत सुदृढ़ शरीरा, दूर करे ईर्षा द्वेष विस्मय की पीड़ा। निरोग अंत मन तन को करो, योगमयं विश्वं कुरु, विश्वं कुरु। चिंता से मुक्ति, कार्य में कुशलता, उत्साह संग संग चलने की योग्यता। आत्मविश्वास आत्मनियंत्रण योग से होगा। वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्। ऐसी धरा की कल्पना करो, योगमयं विश्वं कुरु, 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 विश्वं कुरु।
We have our guest of honor, Dr. Ishwar V. Basavarathy, Director, Morarji Desai, National Institute of Yoga with us. May I now request Dr. Basavarathy to give his message to us.
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Namaste. It's my privilege to be part of this month-long yoga program by Global Yoga Alliance, headed by our esteemed yoga colleague Shri Gopalji. And the title of the campaign, Train the Brain, emphasizing the importance of mental health in the pandemic condition. It's a very appropriate topic which has been chosen by the organizers. At the outset, on my own behalf, on behalf of Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga and on behalf of Ministry, I heartily congratulate the organizers, the Global Yoga Alliance and all the participating organizations for taking a much needed initiative to befittingly celebrate the International Day of Yoga 2021 on 21st June 2021. Now, in the present pandemic condition, there are several discussions going on across the globe during last more than 1.5 years. Several vaccines, several clinical trials to come up with many interventions, the traditional medicine and modern medicine, and governments are spending billions of rupees to tackle the pandemic conditions and to save the lives of the people. But one thing I noticed in every nook and corners of the globe, everybody is hugging, accepting the yoga practice, especially the pranayama and meditation, which is the solace, especially in the second wave in the UK and in India and other countries. And there is a huge demand for the very well designed pranayama and meditation packages or protocols. So, people are finding the values in our ancient wisdom. Now, it is the need of the hour. So, what are the important practices, what are the important technologies, how to make it a package or a protocol to ace out the present day problems is the need of the hour. In that occasion, I have three important solutions. First of all, it is called detoxification. So, whenever you designed any protocol, especially for the mental health, it is detoxification, physical, mental and emotional. There are several practices in yoga. That is comes to the ghata, the physical body. There are neti, dhauti, kapala, bhati, and chitta prasadana and several mental acing out or emotional balance practices are mentioned in Yoga Sutra and in Bhagavad Gita. The second one is most importantly the postural modification. So, our body has to be undergoing so much of formats in the day to day activities. Therefore, we have a wrong postures that will reduce the compatibility of our lungs and also the irregularities in the breathing. Therefore, we need some 6 to 8 practices which to be practiced once or twice a day. It takes hardly 10 minutes. So, that will help us to three-way. One is the respiratory passage will be cleaned by detoxification practices. So, then the lungs muscles or the respiratory muscles must be strong, that will ace out for the increasing the lungs capacity. Third important aspect is the breathe modification, or that will be the practice of pranayama. So, pranayama when we do, there is a systematic regulated deep inhalation, exhalation with awareness. That awareness of the breathing with a sensor organism, that leads to prana ayama. That is earlier one breathing, it is only breathing, but awareness is more important in pranayama practice. With that awareness, I am entering into the higher consciousness of our existence. Therefore, pranayama when you do, there is a rhythmic inhalation, rate of change of breathing at every moment of time, every second should be the similar, and holding it appropriately according to the capacity, then exhaling at least twice the time of the inhalation and holding it outside with Uddiyana Bandha. So, that needs some 12 to 14 days of practice. If you do it, so at least for 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes in the evening. So, that will be the very, very wonderful impact. So, Patanjali says, what is the purpose of pranayama? Dharanasu eva manasa. So, once we detoxify, once we bring the postural modification, once we bring the breathe modification, so I can calm down, the mind become calm, quiet. That is the beginning of the meditation. Meditation will bring the change. The pranayama brings the balance in the autonomous functions. Sympathetic, parasympathetic balance will come with the Nadi Shodhan pranayama and Anulom Vilom pranayama for a long time. So, once it is cooled down, we enter into the alpha range. So, in that when the mind is cold, automatically we are entitled to meditation. Meditation happens. Once a start happens, that brings the lifestyle change. So, The person who really meditates will be in the mental equilibrium state. That is the need of the hour. So once again, I wish very best for the entire event. Hope so. Yoga Certification Board, I have of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India has started the campaign of Common Yoga Protocol, morning Indian time 7 o'clock to 8:30, evening 6 o'clock to 7:30. You may join these programs and also get the appreciation certificates, yoga volunteer certificates from the Government of India. So once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you, Gopal ji, for inviting me to share some of the thoughts and views to this August gathering. Jai Hind. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
We have our today's chief guest, Ananda Shri Vibhushit Prayag Peethadishwar Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Omkaranand Ji Maharaj with us. I shall now request the chief guest to give his blessings on this occasion.
ओम नमः शिवाय गुरुवे सच्चिदानंद मूर्तये निष्प्रपंचाय शांताय निरालंबाय तेजसे। भगवान शिव की कृपा आप सब पर निरंतर बनी रहे। बड़ी प्रसन्नता की बात है, इस वर्ष हम लोग पुनः 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें मुख्य रूप से ग्लोबल योगा अलायंस, जिससे हम निरंतर जुड़े हुए हैं और जिसमें गोपाल जी की सहभागिता निरंतर बढ़ चढ़ करके रहती है और वह हमेशा हमें स्मरण रखते हैं। बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि इस वर्ष हम लोग 1 महीने का कार्यक्रम बना रहे हैं, जिसमें हम लोग नाना प्रकार से चिकित्सा करेंगे, लोगों को चिकित्सा के विषय में ज्ञान कराएंगे कि कैसे हम लोग अपनी मानसिक स्थिति को सुधार सकते हैं, शारीरिक स्थिति को सुधार सकते हैं। हम मानसिक रोगी भी बन रहे हैं। आज कोरोना काल में न जाने कितने लोग कोरोना से तो ठीक हो जा रहे हैं, लेकिन उनकी मानसिक स्थिति सुधर नहीं रही है। उनके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं विकृतियां आ रही हैं। सोच में, धारणा में यह है कि मुझे फिर से कोरोना हो गया तो क्या होगा, हमारे घर में किसी को हो गया तो क्या होगा। और जिन्हें कोरोना नहीं हुआ है, उनके भी घरों में लोग बहुत ज्यादा चिंतित हैं, दुखी हैं और उनका मानसिक संतुलन भी बिगड़ रहा है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में ग्लोबल योगा अलायंस जो 1 महीने का कार्यक्रम करने जा रही है, नित्य प्रतिदिन 1 घंटे का उस पर जो है चर्चा आएगी। और मुझे बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि गोपाल जी ने 21 मई से 21 जून तक पूरा 1 घंटे का यह कार्यक्रम बनाया है, जिसमें भारत के अलग अलग प्रांतों से, भारत के अलग अलग स्थानों से डॉक्टर और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोग और अच्छे आयुर्वेदाचार्य, योगाचार्य, संगीताचार्य आदि लोग आएंगे। और अब ये इसमें बहुत अच्छी चिकित्सा का माध्यम बनाया जा रहा है, प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा का माध्यम बना रहा है, रेकी का माध्यम बन रहा है। साथ ही इसमें जो है आप कैसे संगीत से इसको सुधार सकें, किसी भी रोग को कैसे रंगों से। हमने तो बहुत अच्छी यह विधा को पहले भी किसी से सुना था, लेकिन अब हमको देखने का भी अवसर और सुनने का अवसर पुनः आएगा, क्योंकि गोपाल जी ने जो ग्लोबल योगा अलायंस से ये कार्यक्रम बनाया है, इसको मैं भी नित्य देखा करूंगा। तो बहुत अच्छा विषय है कि हम लोग अपनी चिकित्सा जो है आयुर्वेद के द्वारा, रंगों के माध्यम से, संगीत के माध्यम से एवं योग के माध्यम से कैसे करें। चूंकि कोरोना काल ही नहीं, कोरोना के बाद भी हम लोग को जीवन जीना है और जीवन जीने के लिए हमें स्वस्थ होना आवश्यक है। तो स्वस्थ कैसे रहेंगे, उसके लिए अनेकानेक मंत्र, अनेकानेक ज्ञान यहाँ पर बांटा जाएगा। तो हमें बड़ी प्रसन्नता है। साथ ही हमें जो है मुरारजी देसाई जी को ढेर सारा शुभाशीर्वाद मेरी तरफ से, और मैं साधुवाद करता हूँ कि वह इस संस्था से जुड़े हैं और इसको आगे बढ़ाने में उनका श्रेय निरंतर रहता है। साथ ही डॉक्टर बासाव रेड्डी जी को मेरी ढेर सारी शुभकामना है कि वह आगे बढ़ चढ़ करके ऐसे ही इस कार्यक्रम में हिस्सा लें और साथ ही जो है इस स्थान को, ग्लोबल योगा अलायंस को पूरे विश्व में पहुंचाने में सहयोगी बने। और गोपाल जी को और उनके पूरे सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को मेरी ढेर सारी शुभकामना है। योग दिवस की आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामना, ढेर सारा शुभ प्रेम है। और सभी आप लोग निरंतर नित्य 1 घंटे का यह आयोजन जरूर देखिएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग इधर उधर के समय में व्यर्थ में जो है अपने जीवन को बिता रहे हैं। और अगर इस समय, चूंकि कोरोना काल में लोग बहुत दुखी हैं, लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा कभी पेपर पढ़ के, कभी न्यूज़ देख करके, समाचारों में नाना प्रकार के लोगों की मृत्यु देख करके या उनका दुख देख करके बहुत पीड़ित हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं मानसिक कष्ट तो सभी को है। तो उस मध्य में ऐसा एक विषय कि 1 महीने तक जो है हम प्रतिदिन 1 घंटे कुछ न कुछ चिकित्सा अपने जीवन में, अपने शरीर के लिए, अपने स्वास्थ्य के लिए समझेंगे, सीखेंगे, तो आगे चल करके हम लोग कोरोना ही नहीं, बहुत सारी महामारी अगर कभी हमारे आगे समय में आती है तो हम उससे लड़ सकते हैं और विजयी होकर के हम अपने जीवन को जी सकते हैं। तो मेरी शुभकामना है इस कार्यक्रम के लिए, इस आयोजन के लिए। आप सबको ढेर सारा शुभ आशीर्वाद। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Today we have 2 dynamic yoga performers with us, Harsh Patel and Waja Shahnawaz Hussain from Gujarat. They will present rhythmic yogasana display. Yogasana World Champion Janvi Mehta from Gujarat with us. She will demonstrate artistic Yogasana on this occasion. Janvi Mehta.
La
conclude our today's program, I shall now request Mr. Aman Makkad, Joint Secretary and Coordinator of Global Yoga Alliance, to give vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all of you. Today, it is my pleasure to give a vote of thanks on the occasion of Curtain Raiser program for the month-long training program on the theme Train the Brain, focusing on mental health in commemoration of International Day of Yoga 2021. In the series of vote of thanks, I would first like to thank His Holiness Anant Shri Vibhushit Prayag Pithadeshwar Jagadguru Shankaracharya Swami Omkaranandji Maharaj for giving his precious time and his blessings for this program. Next, I would like to thank Dr. I.V. Basavareddy Sir, Director of Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, for giving his good wishes to us. I would also like to thank Dr. Gopalji, the President of Global Yoga Alliance, for taking this great initiative, Train the Brain, to fight with Corona for the mankind in this difficult time of pandemic. I would like to thank and appreciate all the yoga students for the beautiful demonstration of Yogasana. I would also like to express my gratitude to Ms. Sati S. Kumar Madam for the beautiful presentation of this program. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the viewers for joining this program and all the other members who are directly or indirectly involved in the successful organization of this program. And at the end, I request all of you to take the benefit of this month-long training program, which is going to start from tomorrow onwards, that is 21st May to 21st June 2021, 7 to 8 am daily in the morning. Thank you so much once again. Stay healthy and stay safe.